The other day I was browsing online and I found this channel. Actually, he left a few comments about my work, and then I was curious and look at this. This is an amazing work. I have never seen such an amazing content in less than 1 year. All this it looks like it's being made by cardboard. Wow, look at that amount of models he's been doing. And I sent him a message yesterday. You know what? I like your content. I like what you've done. And I told him, you know what? Make longer videos showcasing your models. Let's scroll down all the way down and let's see what oh my god. And I'm amazed. Look at this. I always wanted to do this. Wow. It is amazing the amount of work. I mean, he just showcased for a few seconds, but let's see. I'm not gonna click on every single of them, but okay, let's go back. So here's that. I always want to do this. I mean, 3D printed, but he achieved this in less than in 1 year, right here. Look at that. He does. I don't think he has any references because I don't know where he is from. I have no idea. But he already done this. Well, I mean, that's Rusty right there. Rusty, my man. Captain. Is a captain right here. Catherine. Oh, look at that. Millie. Oh man, I need to right there. Millie. Wow. Well, everything is in Spanish, so I have no idea. I mean, I do speak Spanish, but I have no idea what's the reference, what's the name in English. Reneas, right there. Smudger. Cool D. Freddy. Wow. Uh, I don't remember what this kind trying to Okuaku right here. Big boy Sam. But look at this right here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven togs. If I'm not mistaken. Frank and Eddie. I don't know what's Frank and Eddie. Those models, I don't know how long it took to do, but he's reposting models. I mean his models. Look at that. I don't know if those are sticks and cardboard, but look at this one right here. Biggest Town Bridge, right there. Let me see what else. That's Optimus, Galvatron. There's a Trestle Bridge, Locust Yard, Souther Viaduct. Even Sam Neill right here. You guys give it a try. Give it a look at this content creator. I don't think he made a. This is Duncan right there. The process, but wow, Jack, Blue Nose. It is amazing. Cora. So this one, it says small shed near Knapford. The amount of work he just done. Bear. Wow, Farquhar Station. It's made out of cardboard. Yeah, I'm very impressed. He's done Bolstrode. Yeah. What's this? Polar Express. Tidmouth Sheds. I mean, is it Tidmouth Sheds? Well, that's the translation. That bridge, tree, whatever. Daisy. Yeah, that's wow. That's a lot of content and models that he already did with only cardboard. Look at this, Derek. Um, Rex. Stanley's shed, and he made some stop tracks, end tracks, whatever. There's Mike Bert. So he will be posting more than 20-second videos because I seen it looks like a 3-second video. That one says 10 cents. Big Mac. OJ. Wow. Top Hat. Yeah, good content. Warrior right there. Hercules. Sunshine. I always wanted to do this 3D printer, but look at that. He already achieved that. To be honest, the within a year, he made all of these, and compared to my situation, he's doing more than I have done my 3D printing. He's done way too many models. That's Logan right there. Sally Seaplane. That's Daisy, Pumpkin, or Derek, I think. More steam engines over there. Is the collection. Oh, wow. Okay, is that Jack? He made, I don't know if is that cardboard? I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. I need to click. I'm going to click on that one. But, oh, look at the Caroline right there. Wow, Caroline. Adam. Man, this creator has done more than I thought. More than I, man, I'm impressed of this job. Wow. His name is El Buen Lauti. Wow, that's a talent. I I have no idea what could what I mean. If he has his hands on 3D printers and all the software, I'm pretty sure he beats me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he can make more than myself. Wow. D261. Yeah, he's really good. Look at that right there. So I think those shells are basically this, but I have a longer version, but he's really good. Link in the description, guys. The DeLorean right there. Yes, he is doing an impressive job. So I started to post some models. I told him to showcase, different um, sides, and took my advice, and he's showing the next videos he will be posting more content about this, and he's doing a great job. Link in the description, guys. Please take a minute to watch his content right there. Oh man, that's the name of the creator right there.